Okay. Hello everybody! Today we have a really special video for you. Today's recipe we're gonna use these special tools. This is the Kiddies food cutter and this is the Safety food peeler. Today we will do cheesy fritters. We'll start by peeling some carrots and potatoes. Now I'm going to use the special knife to cut the carrots and the potato. It don't cut me, but we will see if it cuts the potatoes. Ta-da! Now we will wash the potatoes. We will put water and leave it cook. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm gonna cook some garlic and then some onions and olive oil. We're going to let it get nice and brown. Now that the potatoes are cooked, we're gonna mash them. Now that the onions are cooked and brown, we're going to use them to put in the potatoes. We have salt and pepper and cheese. We'll put them all in the bowl. It's a lot of cheese. And it mix very well. Now I'm gonna take a little bit in my hands and I will do a ball. After I've flattened it, I put it in breadcrumbs of each side and I put it on the plate. In the meantime, Mommy will start to fry them. Now I will taste my delicious cheesy fritters. Very good. Very good. Thank you for watching me and see you soon.